Hello all, welcome back to our channel. Guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can add your bank account details, PAN and passport in the EPFO portal. In my previous video I have already shown you how you can file e-nomination in the EPFO portal. So if you haven't watched that previous video, then you can find it under the post joining formalities playlist of this channel. So in this video I am going to show you how you can add your bank account, PAN and passport in the EPFO portal, and along with that I will also show you how you can download the passbook of the PF account that you have created. Okay, so let's begin. So see guys, so once you log into the so see guys, once you log into this EPFO portal page, so I am here in the EPFO portal page. You have to log in with your credential. So once you log in with your credential, this page will open. Okay, so here you will get your all the details of the account, PF account. Okay, here your UN number, name and birth date is mentioned. Okay, so for adding your bank account and PAN and passport in the EPFO portal, you have to click on this profile information. Okay, so once you click on this profile information, this page will open. Okay, so it will expand it. So here you will have to click on this edit icon that is visible to you here. Okay, so you have to click on this edit icon. So once you click on that edit icon, this page will open. Okay, so here you have to provide all the bank account details, PAN and passport. Okay, so let's go one by one, adding bank account details first. Okay, so we have to click on this bank account details. So once you click on this bank account, you will be redirected to this page. Okay, where your bank details page will open and you have to provide all the bank details. Yes, okay, your name as per your bank account will be appear as you have provided in this EPFO portal. Okay, so in bank account number you have to provide your bank account number, then you have to write your confirmed bank account number and then bank IFSC. So once you click on this check box, once you fill the bank IFSC code, then this verify IFSC option will appear. Okay, so you have to click on this verify IFSC. So once it is verified, then you have to click on this check box and click on this save button. So once you click on this save button, this portal will open. Okay, means an OTP has been sent on your Aadhaar link mobile number. So you have to fill the OTP here and then click on this submit button. So once you click on this submit button, your bank account details will be submitted for approval. Okay, so now we have to go adding our PAN details. So you have to do the same steps that we have done in the bank account details. Okay, so you have to click on this PAN icon details. So once you click on this PAN, you will be redirected to this page. Okay, so here your name as per PAN is mentioned and you have to fill this your PAN account number. Okay, so you have to fill your PAN account number here, and again then you have to click this checkbox and click on this save option. So once you click on this save option, this portal will appear, means an OTP has been sent to your on your Aadhaar link mobile number. So you have to provide the OTP here and click on this submit button. So once you click on this submit button, your PAN account has been submitted for your approval. Okay, so now in the same way we have to go for the passport. So then you have to click on this passport, then this page will appear here. Okay, so here you have to mention the passport number, then the validity of the passport that you have provided. Okay, so you have to click on this calendar icon and you have to select the validity of the passport, and once you are done, then again you have to click on this checkbox and click on this save button. So once you click on this save button, again you will receive an OTP on your mobile which is linked with your Aadhaar. Okay, so you have to fill the OTP here and click on this submit button. So once you click on this submit button, so this portal will open. Okay, means you have submitted all the details, and if you scroll down, then you will find that all the details that you have submitted, that is your KYC, is pending for approval. So once it is approved by your employer in which you are working, then the same will be reflected in your EPFO portal. Okay, so you are done with this filling all the bank, PAN and passport details. So after that you have to download your passbook. If you want to download your passbook, you have to go to this view icon and then select passbook. So once you click on this passbook, then this page will appear. Okay, so you have to fill your UN details, then passport, password, and then you have to fill the captcha. And once you click on this login, then this portal will open. Okay, so here your name is mentioned, then your UN number is mentioned. Since PAN is we have added recently, so it will not reflected here. So once it is get approved, then only it will reflected here. Okay, so to download your passbook, you have to select your member ID. So once you click on this drop down button, so you will see that there is one option, so you have to click on this option, and then this page will appear here. Okay, means this page will expanded. Now you have to view the passbook. Okay, so if you want to view the full passbook, then you can click on this view passbook full. Okay, so you will see that all the details will be mentioned. Okay, here your total fee balance, total ER balance, and total balance as on date. Okay, whatever PF you have submitted is mentioned here. Okay, so if you scroll down, you will find all the details here. And if you want to download this passbook, then you can click on this download button and you can download all the details. The same details will be reflected in the PDF that you have downloaded. Okay, so in this way you can submit your details in the EPFO portal. So I hope this video is clear to you, and if you have any doubt, then you can drop in the comment box. I will try to answer those queries. So thank you guys, we will meet you in the next video.